Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 self-balancing scooters in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading self-balancing scooter that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Segway Ninebot SS Max S2 Smart Self-Balancing Scooter. With powerful motors and advanced features, this scooter promises an exciting ride. Let's explore its standout features. Experience exhilarating rides with the Ninebot S2's top speed of 11.2 miles per hour and a range of 21.7 miles. Enjoy extended adventures without worrying about running out of power. Perfect for riders aged 16 to 50, the Segway S2 features a user-friendly learning mode. It provides a smooth and gradual introduction, making it easy for beginners to get started. The Segway S2 accommodates heights from 4 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 6 inches and supports up to 220 pounds. Enjoy a customized fit tailored to your needs for maximum comfort and stability. Conquer inclines with confidence as the Segway S2 navigates 15-degree slopes effortlessly. It's designed to handle various terrains with ease. Featuring a smart battery management system and a high-capacity 335 Wh battery, the S2 fully charges in just 4.5 hours. Spend less time charging and more time riding. In conclusion, the Segway Ninebot SS Max S2 Smart Self-Balancing Scooter combines speed, comfort, and versatility. Number 4. The Jetson Self-Balancing Hoverboard. This hoverboard features built-in Bluetooth speakers, all-terrain tires, and LED lights for an exciting ride. Let's explore its standout features. The sleek black profile features high-visibility front deck lights and RGB wheel LEDs. With a high top speed and heavy-duty off-road design, it promises a smooth ride. The durable onboard Bluetooth speakers connect to smart devices, playing your music in sync with the hoverboard lights. Enjoy your favorite tunes while riding. Equipped with high-visibility lights, forward headlights, and RGB wheel LEDs, this hoverboard ensures safety and style. Perfect for kids, teens, and adults. Achieve a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a range of up to 12 miles. The automatic smart self-balancing feature ensures a stable ride with a fast-charging lithium-ion battery. Designed for fun and exploration, the Jetson hoverboard is perfect for everyday use. Its UL 2272 certification guarantees safety, making it an ideal choice for all ages. In conclusion, the Jetson self-balancing hoverboard combines style, performance, and durability. Perfect for all ages, it's a fantastic choice for off-road and urban adventures. Number 3. The Gyroor Warrior 8.5-inch off-road hoverboard. This rugged hoverboard offers powerful performance and cool features for all riders. Let's explore its standout features. The Warrior's sturdy structure, made from UL-approved materials, ensures durability and safety. Enjoy rides for years to come with its robust build. With 8.5-inch solid tires and a 700W motor, the Warrior handles grass, dirt, gravel, and wet surfaces. Ride smoothly on all terrains like a true warrior. Built-in Bluetooth speakers let you play your favorite music while riding. Enhance your ride with high-quality sound and enjoy your music on the go. The self-balancing technology makes it easy and safe for new riders. Master the art of balancing in just minutes for a smooth ride. UL 2272 certified, the Gyroor Warrior meets strict safety standards for safe charging and rides. Ride with confidence, knowing your safety is assured. In conclusion, the Gyroor Warrior hoverboard combines durability, performance, and fun. Perfect for all ages, it's a fantastic choice for off-road and urban adventures. Number 2. The Gyroor Hoverboard New G13. This all-terrain hoverboard with LED lights and a 500W motor offers an exciting ride for kids and adults. Let's explore its standout features. Dual 250W motors deliver powerful performance, allowing climbs of 15 degrees at a top speed of 7.75 miles per hour. The 6.5-inch non-slip rubber tires handle dirt, turf, and gravel effortlessly. Cool LED lights on the wheels and dual LED headlights illuminate your path. Perfect for kids ages 6 to 12, these lights make riding safe and fun, especially at night. The built-in Bluetooth speakers connect to your smartphone, letting you play your favorite music. Enhance your riding experience with high-quality sound on the go. UL 2272 certified, the Gyroor hoverboard complies with all US safety regulations. The self-balancing control system ensures smooth rides, making it easy for all ages to use. Ideal for kids, adults, and everyone in between, this hoverboard is perfect for everyday adventures. Its durable design makes it suitable for various terrains and activities. In conclusion, the Gyroor Hoverboard new G13 combines performance, safety, and fun. Perfect for all ages, it's a fantastic choice for off-road and urban riding. Number 1. The Jetson Zone Hoverboard. This lightweight and stylish hoverboard offers off-road all-terrain wheels and LED lights for a fun and smooth ride. Let's explore its standout features. The ultra-lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the light-up LED wheels provide a sleek style. Enjoy a smooth ride with automatic smart self-balancing technology. With an intuitive riding system, you can accelerate and decelerate with ease. The durable all-terrain wheels are perfect for off-road adventures wherever your day takes you. Equipped with high-visibility lights from the front and sides, including forward headlights and RGB wheel LEDs. The heavy-duty construction ensures a cool profile and easy riding for all ages. Achieve a top speed of 7 miles per hour and a range of up to 7 miles on a single charge. The hoverboard features a fast-charging 36V, 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery with a 300W dual-hub motor. Made for everyday use, the Jetson Zone hoverboard brings joy to riders, helping them experience freedom and exploration. Perfect for kids, teens, and adults alike. In conclusion, the Jetson Zone hoverboard combines style, performance, and durability. Perfect for all ages, it's a fantastic choice for off-road and urban adventures. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.